Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can generate a new QR code in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you open it, to generate a new QR code, what you need to do is click on Home and go to Settings. After you go to Settings, you can see the QR code option. Go ahead and tap on this and you can see that you can easily regenerate the code as well. To do that, you should go to your profile and you should go to QR code and you can see that this is your QR code. If you want to share it with others, you can do that as well. But if you want to regenerate the QR code, you can see the regenerate icon on the middle of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it and click confirm. After you do so, you can now see that your QR code has been changed and it has been regenerated. You can do this multiple times. All you need to do is click on regenerate and it will create a new QR code for yourself. But you must remember that your old QR code will not work now and you must share your new QR code to your friends if you want to be friends with them. So guys, I hope this video about how you can generate a new QR code in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.